First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer PDF from iPhone to Windows laptop, run the software. Connect your iPhone to your Windows laptop via USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. Once connected, click Books to view all books, including the PDF files. Select the PDF files you want to export, then click Export and choose a destination folder on your Windows laptop. The selected PDF files will be saved to your Windows laptop.